What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the next video in learning R. My name is QTS Dani and you guys watching my channel CorioWood. Alright, so in this video we're gonna show you guys how we're gonna increment our say if you guys we're gonna mix and match our array. So we're gonna create, say for example, if you guys, what I mean is if you guys got the prices for the cars, and if you guys want to add cars, say for example the first car is 10 grand, you've got an array of 10, the second one is 2 grand, the third one is say 4 grand, the fifth one is say 7 grand, sorry, the fourth one is 7 grand, and the last one is 9 grand. So if we've got a vector of 1 2 3 4 5. All right, so if you guys come here, I did not put a assignment and combine. So if you guys look at your prices, and it's 5 elements, 1 2 3 4 5 element. And if you guys look at your class from the previous video, we've discussed that. And if you guys do the prices, and that's class numeric. All right, so now in this how we're going to create, how we're going to assign some other values to these figures here to create a list type of, say, a car list, for example. So what we do is that we use something called names. Names is inbuilt R function, which is gonna glue, and it's gonna combine. We can use, I know we can use combine here, but in combine in other terms, so we can mix with car types. So we've got a names, which is the inbuilt function inside the R, and we put our prices to put values, and we put our combine here. And now we, for the first one, say we put a Toyota, with second one we put a Kia, with the third one we put a Ford, for example. With the fourth element, say we put a GM, General Motors. Okay, the last one we put a Mazda. So Mazda. And if you guys look at the cars, now if you look at the prices, we have a totally different list here. Is say is list type. You guys can see 2 rows. With your another element that this one we created the first for the prices, and this one is now we created the prices, and now we use the names, which is inbuilt R function, and we use it with our prices, and we glued this Toyota to this one. But if you guys want to create this one, say prices, you guys want to use these names, which is inbuilt R function, you guys has to give exactly same elements. So if you got a 5 here, you guys needs to put a 5 here as well. So that's how you guys can use this. So how about if you check the class of prices now, and you guys see, even though we have strings here, our class price still got the numeric, as we discussed in the previous video. All right, so how about here? Now what we're gonna do is that you guys know that we have names when we didn't assign anything to these guys here. So how about we assign cars here? For example, it's Toyota, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to put a cars, and if you guys look at the cars, and you guys see this one of the first one, which has got a prices. This vector's got a name, which is price. The second one we assigned to this name to this one. We didn't have any name, so we assign a cars to this one, the first one. So now this one's got cars, which is got our exactly same elements that we put it there. If you look at the class of cars, and you guys look at our class of cars has changed. So now what we're gonna do, say we're gonna use our names as well. So I'm gonna show you the different method now, different another trick. And now we're gonna put our prices, and we're gonna assign cars. And if you look prices, and you guys exactly got the same like before. But if you use cars, you guys can see cars. But if you look at prices, here we changed that one, we changed a different trick. The first one, if you guys look at here, we've got a prices with the 5 elements array, vectors here array, and that's our prices. We didn't put the C, and now we use the name prices, and we edit this 5 more element, which is a character. And if I look at here combined here at the second one, which is down here with the prices, now we put a cars, and we created different vector of cars. If you guys look at here and look at the cross car, which is a character, and now we put exactly same before, and we assign cars, we assign this one. So these two methods is exactly the same, there is no difference. But I just wanted to show you guys how you guys gonna mix these two vectors. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Look after yourself and our channel as well, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.